So hello students, I am Kunna from Kunna Horizon. Now I am going to teach you the third part of mark price, percentage, profit loss and mark price. In the last video I told you something about the mark price which was half left, and this I will continue in the third video. So please subscribe the channel before watching it. Subscription encourages us to do more and more better for you. So if for the better of the channel and for the better of the whole community, student community who are giving exams for the railways, I wish them that they are getting all the feedbacks from these videos. So let us start now again mark price, and I am Kunna from Kunna Horizon. Mark price. In the last case, I told you how to find out when the discount is given and discount percentage, how to find out the selling price and discount is given, and how to find out the mark price. So now in the third case, again I am giving you something that how to find out the selling price when discount percentage is given. Discount percentage is given. So see here, for example, first you have to find out the selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percentage by 100 into MP. That means, for example, number 1, if mark price is given is equal to 70 rupees, discount percentage is given 10%. So selling price is equal to 100 minus 10 by 100 into MP. So this is equal to 90 by 100 into MP. What is MP? MP is equal to 70 rupees. 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is equal to 63 rupees. This is the selling price. Then number 4, how to find out the mark price when selling price is given. So the formula is, for mark price, selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percentage. Selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percentage. So for example, Example, if selling price is equal to 70 rupees, discount percentage is equal to 10%. Selling price is equal to 70 rupees. Discount percentage is 10%. So mark price is equal to 100 into selling price, 100 into selling price by 100 minus discount percentage. 100 into selling price minus 100 into selling price by 100 minus discount percentage. So this is equal to 700 by 100 minus discount percentage is 90. So 90, so 70 by 9 is the selling price, mark price. Percentage 10%. So a slight mistake, 7,000. So 700 by 9 is the MP. Now in the next case, see here how to find out number 5. The next one is number 5. How to find out the single discount when two or more discounts are given. How to find out the single discount when two or more successive discounts are given. So selling price is equal to 100 minus D1 by 100 into 100 minus D2 by 100 dash 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 100 minus Dn by 100 whole multiplied by mark price. By this way you will get the selling price. So discount will be equal to MP minus SP. Then single discount percentage single discount percentage is equal to discount by this discount by mark price into 100. So for example, if we think if the mark price is given 150 rupees, two discounts D1 is equal to 5% and D2 is equal to 10% is given. You have to find out the single discount for this percentage. So selling price will be equal to 100 minus 5 by 100 into 100 minus 10 by 100 into 150. So this is equal to 95 by 100 into 90 by 100 into 150. So 20 are cut off. Then the answer will be 15 into 95 into 15 into 95 into 9 by 100. So that will be equal to 15 into 9 into 95. That is equal to 12825. That is equal to 12825 by 100. So this is the discount. $150 into 95 by 115 into 9, 15 into 9 into 95. So this is equal to 128 rupees 25 paisa. So this is the selling price. Now if I will find out the discount is equal to 150.00 minus 128.25. That is equal to 75. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. This is the discount. Now single discount percentage. Single discount percentage is equal to 22.75 by 150 into 100. So this 00 cut off and this is 22.75 into 10 into 10 divided by 15 is equal to 15.16% is equal to 2 to 7.5 by 15, and this is equal to 15.16%. So in this way, if two discounts are given, if we will find out the single discount, then this single discount can be found out by the above formula in this process. Then the next one, what we will discuss is about all the formulas. As I told you, I will give you all the formulas for percentage, profit loss and mark price. Percentage, profit loss and mark price. Now I am writing these formulas. Those who can want, they can go through the formulas for these things. So formula list, for the percentage, profit loss and discount. The first thing, number one, to make a fraction 2% multiply the fraction by 100. Second, to convert a percentage to fraction, divide the given percentage by 100. The given percentage number, by 100. Then number 3, to find out the increased percentage. This is equal to increased quantity by original number into 100. Then number 4, to find out the original number when increased percentage is given. To find out the original number when the increased percentage is given. $100 plus increased percentage by 100 into increased number into original number. Then to find out the original number, number 5, the original number is equal to increase number into 100 by 100 plus increase percentage increase number into 100 by 100 plus increase percentage. Number 4, decrease percentage is equal to decrease quantity by original number into 100. Now for the original number 5, 6, this is number 6 and this one is 7. Decreased number is equal to 100 minus decrease percentage by 100 into original number. Then to find out number 8, original number is equal to 100 by 100 minus decrease percentage into decrease number. Then number 9. Ninth one is how to find out the percentage of a given quantity. Percentage of a quantity, that is, first write the quantity in the numerator by from which the percentage is to be calculated, calculated into 100 gives you the percentage of a given quantity. So this is all about the percentage. This is all about the formulas of the percentage. Now number 10, we will think about the profit and loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, then loss is equal to selling price, cost price minus selling price. Number 11, selling price is greater than cost price, then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Then number 12, loss percentage. Loss percentage, that is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Then number 13, profit percentage. Profit percentage, that is equal to profit by selling price, profit by cost price into 100. Then number 14, when selling price, to find out the selling price when profit percentage and cost price is given, that means 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price. Then when the to find out the selling price when loss percentage is given, that is 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Then the next one is number 16. Number 16. To find out the cost price, when profit percentage and selling price is given, 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. Then number 17, cost price. To find out the cost price when selling price and loss is given, selling price and loss is given, 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Then number 18, that is mark price. Well, how will we find out the discount? Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Then number 19, discount percentage. Discount percentage, that is equal to discount by mark price, discount by mark price into 100. Then the number 20, that is how to find a discount by mark price into 100. How to find out the mark price when discount percentage is given. When discount percentage is given, so that is equal to 100 how to find out the mark price, not mark price, selling price first. First we have to find out the selling price. 100 minus discount percentage by 100 into mark price. Next, number 21, that is mark price. Mark price is equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percentage into SP. Now when two or more successive discounts are given, how to find out the selling price? That is equal to 100. That is equal to 100 minus D1 by 100 into 100 minus D2 by 100, and this will continue as many discounts are given. 100 minus Dn by 100 total multiplied by marked price. Total multiplied by marked price. So these are the some of the problems, some of the formulas which includes the chapter profit, loss and discount. Profit, loss and percentage, profit, loss and discount. So go through the formulas, go through the teachings. You will be, I am sure, you will be benefited. I myself, Kunna, from Kunna Horizon, want to state that subscribe the channel after viewing it or before viewing it. But subscribe it for the encouragement of our channel and for the betterment and goodness of the poor students who cannot take any tuitions. They may go through these lessons. They will be, I am 100% sure, they will be benefited. So with this I finish the percentage, profit, loss and discount.